Hey guys, welcome back. Today we'll be unboxing the Xfinity 4K streaming box, as said here on their sticker. Now this is a free device that you can get as long as you have the internet-only package. I found out about this by just simply calling in to find out about student discounts, and a representative told me that they had streaming devices free for customers that had internet only. My thing is, I'm not gonna pay for cable when I can watch online. But anyhow, this is what we have. Okay, repair guide or whatsoever that is. The device itself, pretty light. I would say it has some good heft to it. Doesn't feel cheap at all, though it is plastic. Getting started guide, which I will definitely be reading. Okay, nifty stuff what it comes with. Controller, HDMI cable, and adapter. Some more instructions, always helpful. Alright, I feel like this is, whenever they tell me to lift for more, it's like, I feel like there's actually something there. I know it's just power cable, but it's kind of an excitement. And here's the remote. Nice Xfinity remote. I believe this is the one that has it lights up when you lift it up. As you can see, there's the talk button. You can talk to it. Excited about that. Put that to the side for now. Let's see. Man, yeah. Definitely not your Christmas. But nonetheless, HDMI cable. And the power cord. And it feels like there's a CD. Let's see. Just the boring stuff. So there we have it. Just gonna throw that to the side. So here's the remote. Put all that to the side too. We got this stuff. Bam. Let's have a look. Nice. Wrapped in plastic, pretty good. So this is the back, and this would be the front. As you see, Xfinity, ventilation. Wow, I like that sound. Here's the device itself. Here's the bottom, what that looks like. Put that to the side. Here's the remote. There we go. Wow, didn't expect it to be that long. There you go, it's lit up. Wow. As you can see, when you pick it up, it actually lights up. And that's pretty cool. Little remote guide. And there you go. There we have it, guys. This is the unboxing of the Xfinity streaming device. 4K, if I didn't mention it before. And there you go. Hope you guys like it. Don't forget to give a thumbs up if you like it, subs if you don't, and comment if you have any questions. Peace.